Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. At the time you are watching, we have 875 subscribers. Continue subscribing, continue liking, and also commenting. Whenever you like or comment on the video, you're pushing the YouTube algorithm to suggest this beautiful video that you're watching to solve other people's problems, just like you are solving your problem right now. Do not forget to donate on my Gumroad channel in any way if you want to support. So today I want to look at the advanced search, okay? And for this case, it does not mind whatever you own. All right, so let me first take you through what is coming. Guys, back in the background, I'm creating videos with Vue.js for a poultry farm, okay? So where we shall have layers and broilers, okay? So every farmer, this is I intend this to be a free site or system that every farmer will have an access to one season, and that season can be reset, okay? And then they will be able to see statistics and digest statistics of their feeds, eggs, profits. So for broilers have a recycling season, so you can start cycle 2 while cycle 1 is still running. So they'll have 2 cycles, okay? So they'll have feeds, expenditures, sales, and profits for cycle 1 and also for cycle 2. So when I go to layers, you'll see in the videos how we manage to do this. So where you can come and update, for example, we're going to update and add 4 kilograms at a cost of 2 shillings, and then we choose to update, and then it updates instantly and also updates here in the feedback. And if I go back to the dashboard, it also shows the total feeds that are given to layers, okay, and how many birds. So this will be a summary. All right, so enough of the chitty talk, so let me go. All right, so most of the searches you'll find on the internet, there will be a single search, okay? There will be a single search where you come and submit and you search for one item, or you type and you get one result. So what we're having, I want to show you an advanced multi search. So that advanced multi search that I've looked for onto YouTube and couldn't find until I thought of something is what I'm sharing today. And if I come back here and refresh, so this is what we have. You have the search field, then you have a drop down for the category, okay, and then a drop down for type. So someone should be able to choose any of these, let's say the category, and they submit and they get results, or they should be able to submit any of these and this can be none, the third one, and they get all. They should be able to combine, okay, and search all. They should be able to do it all at once and search. And that is the solution I want to talk about today, and this is how I do it. Now I'm talking about the logic, because this logic can be applied in any programming software or programming language. So that's why I'm not going to look into a specific coding language. All right, so let's go ahead and see how the logic works. So for such a case scenario, the solution is simple and straightforward. The solution is of an if-else statement. Now, many people would think it is a condition statement of what do they call it? The switch statement. But remember, the switch statement takes in one variable at a time. So which means you have no chance of checking these conditions unless you wrote them into a variable first, then you put them in the switch. But here is a case where we have about 9 possibilities, okay? So in any case, if anyone has any other solution, you're so welcome. So I'll start with the main condition because I have 2 conditions. So the main condition you need to know is to check, okay, if any of the fields is empty and the other is not. So if X, let's say, which is for the title, okay, the search input is not null, okay. So if X is not null and Y is 0, null, and Z is 0, so what do? You search into your model where X, because we're looking for only X that is not empty, okay, when the search is submitted. So where X, and then you get the X, and then you return the field, okay. So the field will be the results from X. And then else if X is null but Y is not null, like y is not empty and z is null, then you're looking for y. Else if x is empty, y is empty, but z, the third field, is not empty, then you're looking for z. And then else if any of those is empty, so else, okay, so which means all conditions checked and none of them is active, then return please submit a valid search. So that is one way. The other way is you must now check a combination of more than one, because here we're checking only one. So how do you do that? All right, so here you check conditions of 2, 2 to 3. So if x is not null and also y is not null, then you're looking for both x and y. So if x is empty but y and z are not empty, then you're looking for only y and z. And if all of them are not empty, then you're looking for all of them. And do not forget our last statement, which is the else statement. So if you consider all these, and I've only skipped one, so this one is checking y and x, the other is checking y and z, so there should be another that is checking z and x, okay, x and z, all right, before you even come to this one. So that is 1, 2, 3, then fourth, the fourth one that I've talked about, okay, then 5, 6, 7. So those are 7 conditions for 3 fields, okay. And then you'll find that the more the fields, the more if statements you're trying to write. So if there is any other way, because this is the way I discovered, I looked for the whole of YouTube and I couldn't find a way, then please, forward it, or you can create a video, you can put it in the comment. But I feel that an else if statement is the best way to do this thing. All right, so thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe, like. Whenever you like or comment, you give me morale to do more, okay? So also keep in mind that our project is coming soon. I have a ton of over 5 hours videos, so I've created a series, and each week I'll be releasing 2 videos that will help you learn Laravel mixed with Vue.js the simple way, okay? And this is Laravel 9, where you're going, and this project, I must up this project, I must put it on a server, and it will be accessed for free for all farmers, okay? So if you want to support this project also, it's okay for you to fundraise, so that we kickstart, and then we make sure that we enable the payment of an SSL certificate, the hosting of this. But each farmer, you never know how big it's going to be. All right, so let's meet in that other video, okay? So let's meet then. Right, so thank you so much. The donation link is there in any case if you want to support or donate, because the money you bring on helps on get onto these projects and workable projects. Let's meet in those other videos.